Hello, friends. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating, complex, and awe-inspiring topics in human history, the brain. What does the brain do? Why does it exist? And how does it shape our lives? Let's embark on a journey together to explore these questions. Let's start with a simple thought. Inside our skulls, we carry an organ that weighs about 1.5 kilograms. But this isn't just a piece of tissue, it's one of the most complex systems in the universe. The brain is essentially the central control unit of our body. Think of the brain as the conductor of an orchestra. It coordinates and regulates everything in our body, from our heartbeat and breathing to our emotions and thoughts. But here's the remarkable part. The brain isn't just an organ, it's a meaning-making machine. Everything from how we perceive life to the decisions we make originates in the brain. So how does the brain accomplish all this? Essentially, it interprets the world around us through our five senses. We see with our eyes, hear with our ears, and feel with our skin. But here's the key. All these sensory inputs gain meaning in the brain. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're looking at a flower. Your eyes detect the shape and color of the flower, but who interprets that information? The brain, of course. If you remember the flower's fragrance, that memory is also stored in your brain. In a way, the brain processes the data it receives from our senses and helps us make sense of the world. It acts as a filter, an interpreter of reality. Another amazing feature of the brain is its ability to change. This incredible ability, known as neuroplasticity, allows the brain to rewire itself based on new experiences and learning. Think of it this way. Our brain is like a muscle. It grows stronger with use. For example, when you learn to play a musical instrument, your brain forms new neural connections. Or when you make a mistake, your brain recognizes it and helps you find the right path next time. This is why we should never stop learning. Of course, there's still so much we don't know about the brain. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand how it functions. But one thing is clear. The brain isn't just a problem-solving machine, it's also our source of imagination, creativity, and meaning. People often ask me, do we use our whole brain? My answer is this. Every part of the brain has a function and is active in some way. However, how much of its potential we truly use depends on how much effort we put into developing it. So friends, this marvelous organ we call the brain is at the core of everything that makes us who we are, our emotions, thoughts, dreams. All of it comes from this small but powerful structure. But remember, the better you use your brain, the better your quality of life will be. So keep learning, challenge yourself, read a lot, and never stop dreaming. Because it's the creativity and uniqueness of our brains that make this world a more meaningful and beautiful place. Until next time, take care and use your brain wisely.